A historically black flooding-prone community is getting some much-needed help as they combat the flooding crisis that they say has been diminishing them. WDHN's Robert Smith has the latest in a WDHN exclusive.
The Shiloh Community Center received $50,000 from the Texas Southern Bullard Center this week to help continue their fight for justice to resolve their flooding nightmare.
We just only had, a little money to operate with, to travel with, to go and talk about, what's going on in the Shiloh community. I counted a blessing when Dr. Bullard said, hey, I want to take from my personal and I want to come back home and I want to bless the center.
The hefty donation comes after Dr. Bullard won a National Visionary Award from the Urban Land Institute that came with $100,000, giving half to a community in his hometown.
It's my vision to assist and support and to help this community continue to thrive and to come out from under this stress and strain of the flooding and all of the other issues that have they've been confronted with for the last almost 7 years.
Dr. Bullard has been working with the community since 2023, bringing the flooding crisis to the attention of federal leaders like former Secretary Pete Buttigieg, Sierra Club President Ben Jealous, who all promised they would help the community. Last year, a binding contract between the state and feds was reached to implement a mitigation project, but residents believe it has been breached as they have not been made aware of the status of the project.
This community does not need another broken promise. It needs action. It needs follow through. And as I said, that check for me and coming back and sharing, that's a promise made and a promise kept. You can't get any better than what I say is my word is my bond.
It helps me to stay afloat, with bills and everything to continue to move on and to spearhead this project here with black land laws, to speak up and to help.
Dr. Bullard and Williams say they encourage others in the community to join and provide resources to help them in the fight. In Elba, Robert Smith, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.